Did you know? Creating groups on Mosaic and starting work for a group. Did you know? Did you know that in Mosaic you can create a group, which you can add multiple people to? There are many reasons you would add people to a group like this. They could be part of the same family, in a gang, or any other reason. These groups enable you to complete workflows and case notes for multiple people at a time, duplicating the information added across all records selected. This will save you time and also ensure accuracy and conformity across all records relating to a case. Let's take a look at how we create groups, as well as how we add case notes and start work for multiple people. We are going to run through how to create, add people, and start work for a group, as well as adding a case note to the group. First, we click the People button. We then click the Find Person button. You need to search for someone that is going to be in your group. To do this, we first click in the last name field. In this example, we are going to enter Doe in the last name field. Now, we click the Find button. You can select the person from the search results list. We are going to click on John Doe. This is John Doe's person summary page. We now need to scroll down to the Groups button. Now we are going to hover over the Groups button. This gives us a new option. We're going to click the Create Group button. Let's click in the Title field. We must now enter the title of the group. In this instance, we enter Doe Family Group. We need to select the type of group we are dealing with. In this example, we select Family. We now click the OK button. This has created the group, which we will now need to add more people to. To do this, we click the Add to Family button. Same as before, we click in the last name field. Again, we enter Doe in the last name field. We click the Find button to start the search. This time, we select Jim Doe from the search results. Once again, we click the Add to Family button to add the last member to the group. We have skipped adding Jane to the group as the process is the same each time. Now, let's click the Add Work button to start a workflow for the group. Here, you can select which people in the group this piece of work will be for. If you click the checkbox at the top, it will select all members of the group. Now all the members have been selected, we click the Next button. Here, you can pick the piece of work you want to start for the selected people. This example shows an Initiate CAF. The Initiate CAF form then opens. As you can see here, all members selected previously are here under Family Details. Let's look at adding a case note. Let's click the Case Notes button. This brings up a list of the case notes already created for this group. Clicking the Add button begins creating a new case note. The Add Case Note screen appears. Here, you will see all the members of the group. You'll need to select which of these the case note applies to. As you can see, all three members are automatically selected. Now let's move on to the case note by clicking the Case Note tab button. Here you can add the details of the case note as you would do usually. We have now completed this case note, and when we click Save and/or Finish, it will duplicate this across all selected members of the group. This ends the group tutorial. Groups can save you a lot of time and will prevent discrepancies between people's records. Further help. We have support in place, and if you have any questions, check the support portal on Wilma or ask your champion. Look out for our next Did You Know on Workflow Maps.